guys, this is going to be a small tutorial about using the colors from an image to create a color scheme that hopefully you can use everywhere else. So you've ever probably been like, oh man, like I have a really cool photo, but I don't know what colors to use in my documents besides the photo. InDesign has a little helpful tool for that. So let me first get a photo. I'm going to go ahead and File, Place, bring in, let's see, that's pretty nice photo things, but I'll go for these kittens. All right, let's just pretend like this is going to be my document. Now what I'd like to do is select the color palette from this image. So I'm going to go over to my toolbar and then get the color theme tool out. That, if you don't have it revealed, it's going to be underneath the eyedropper tool. But it looks like basically a little eyedropper with a little like little bars next to it, or little squares next to it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my image now. So I've selected the color theme tool. Boom. And what it's done is it's created a color palette. And what it's done is it's created a color palette. So I can go ahead and see colorful here, bright, and there's different kind of moods for the colors that they have chosen for us. And these are just simply like suggestions, but based off of your document. And if you are, just looking for an easy way of finding some colors that you can use that are going to look good in your document, these are going to be color palettes that are automatically pulled from this photo. So I always love the colorful ones myself. And you can see that there's also muted. Oh, that might be nice. Okay, let me just click on that. And what I can do is actually add this to my swatches. So for this, I can add to my swatches. This is if I wanted to add to my CC library, so I can use it for other Creative Cloud software. But I'm going to add to my swatches. So I'm going to click on that. And my swatches will end up, and let me get my regular selection tool out. They'll end up here or wherever you get colors. So like, for instance, like underneath swatches, underneath the standard CMYK and RGB, I have muted theme. I can open up this folder by just clicking this arrow. And those are all of the beautiful colors that I've essentially stolen from this image. Now, the cool part about this is if I'm now wanting to type something, maybe I'm gonna create a text box here and then be like cats. Oops. I'm gonna select that. I'm gonna make that text a little bit larger. Oh wait, definitely needs an exclamation point. I'm gonna make these all caps by using this double T up here. Oh yeah. And now I can go ahead and set my fill, muted theme, and then I can choose like this nice green. So I probably wouldn't go as far as to design my entire document around this, but as you can see, it gives you plenty of color suggestions. If I wanted to use a shape, for instance, and I want it to be something that's not going to clash, like I make a cool rectangle or like some kind of box, I don't know. Let me go ahead and fill that. Muted theme. I'm like halfway through to a flyer or something like that, without having to rack my brain being, oh, I wonder what color this should be, or I wonder how I'm going to get the correct color for this. So this is how you'll be able to use the color theme tool. And it's just something that hopefully makes your process a little bit easier. Thanks so much. Have a good day.